Hey Amazon, welcome back to the campground in the inside of our RV. Why are we inside today? Well, we're looking at some of these kitchen utensils. My wife is doing her kitchen decor with a pink theme to it, so she went looking for some pink kitchen utensils. And this is what she fell upon. But what you really want to know is about the utensils themselves. The first thing I noticed immediately about the utensil set was the fact that the colors are rich and bright. Obviously, this is the pink, so I expect it to be a little bit brighter than others, but the company does offer this in 6 colors to include red and blue. So at the end of the day, no matter what your color palette is for your kitchen, there's a good chance you can find this set in a color that works for you. They list these as a rubber silicone, so there is some play in them. In fact, let me bring something closer and show you. So let's take a look at the spatula here. You can see that there is some play in it. It does have some give at the end, but it's not in the center of it. So if you're trying to break up your scrambled eggs, there's enough play where it won't damage your pot, but it'll allow you to break up your scrambled eggs. Now, we've had these for a little bit of time. We've used them and we've had no pot damage from it. So in our experience, we can back that up, but it doesn't mean that it won't happen. So as far as heat rating on the box, it says 200 degrees Celsius, and on the website, it says 392 degrees Fahrenheit. We haven't had a problem with them cooking in normal conditions. Not willing to test it up that high, but as far as I'm concerned, they seem to work pretty well. There's one thing to be aware of, and that is the size of these utensils. They're not child size, but they are a little bit smaller. Let me show you. This is side by side next to another set of utensils that we have. You can see that the spatula itself overall is a little bit smaller, and the workspace of the spatula is slightly smaller. This is a 12-piece set, so you get all the basic utensils that you need. But again, don't be expecting anything that's a specialty item. You'll have to buy that as a one-off. What everybody wants to know is, would we buy these again, or would we recommend them to you? And the answer is yes. There's a lot of good to like about this. It comes in a variety of colors. You get all the basic utensils you need. You get a nice little plastic holder that goes along with it. It has a clean look, and they seem to hold up really well under normal cooking conditions. Again, the only thing I'd be aware of is that it is a 12-piece set, so it's all the basic utensils, and they are a little bit smaller. But that doesn't mean that they're not an effective set and great in a kitchen. As always, Amazon, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.